No love lost between, no two good terms, intense dislike. No suffering broken, a person who is no longer young. No strings attached, without condition or restriction. No threat a word to remain silent about some secret. Not fit to hold a candle, inferior, cannot be compared to. Not hold water, does not seem to be reasonable. Not make head or tail, not able to understand anything. Not mince words, to speak in a direct way. Not one's cup of tea, not one's choice of preference. Not playing with the full deck, either mentally, physiologically, or intellectually deficient. Not see eye to eye with somebody, to have different opinion. Not to look a gift horse in the mouth, not to find fault with the gift received. Not to mince matter, to speak frankly and directly. To not turn a hair, to show no outward emotion. Nothing doing, not a chance. Nothing a sneeze at, important. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. One has to make effort in order to achieve something. Now and again, occasionally. Null and void, invalid. Odd man out, person who does not fit into a group. Of no avail, useless. Of the first water, of the best toilet. Of the old school, old-fashioned info. Of and on, occasionally. Of the beaten track, little known. Of the cuff, without replacement. Of the hook, no longer in difficulty or trouble. Of the record, not recorded for official publication, informally in confidence. Of color, feeling slightly ill. Oily tongue, flattery. Old hand, experienced. Old head, on young soldiers, to be wise beyond his years. On a roll, to be experiencing a successful period. On a wing and a prayer, with only the slightest chance of success. On account of, because of. On all hands, everywhere. On cloud nine, extremely happy and excited. On age, nervous and unable to relax. On good terms, watch, friendly. On one's guard, to be careful. On one's last legs, near to death. On purpose, deliberately. On sense mere, on foot. On tender hooks, in suspense and anxiety. On the air, broadcast over the radio or on TV. On the back burner, to temporarily and not deal with some matter because it is not urgent. On the ball, to be alert, aware of any changes or developments and quick to react. On the deadline, be very poor. On the brink, cut off, at the point off. On the cards, likely to happen. On the cuff, on credit. On the double, at a fast pace. On the face of it, what appears on the surface. On the fence, halting between two options. On the horizon, an event that is likely to happen soon. On the level, honest. On the ropes, in a state of difficulty, destruction or ruin. On the same page, to understand and agree. On the spur of the moment, to act and once, acting impulsively without thinking. On the straight and narrow, the straightforward and ethically acceptable. On the tip of my tongue, readily available in my memory. On the vein, on the decline. On the wrong side of 60, to be older than 60. On thin ice, in a precarious. Once and for all, bring to an end, finally. Once bitten, twice safe, an unpleasant experience induces caution. Once in a blue moon, rarely and infrequently, occasionally. One black mind, always thinking of only one thing. Open your heart, share your deepest feelings. Open-ended, having no planned ending. Out and out, totally. Out at the elbow, poor. Out of bounds, for bigger. Out of faith, something old-fashioned. Out of fear, out of order or not functioning properly. Out of my wits, greatly confused. Out of print, a book no longer available from the publisher. Out of sorts, to be unwell. Out of spirits, gloomy or sad. Out of the blue, completely unexpectedly, suddenly and without clear warning. Out of the question, impossible. Out of the woods, no longer in trouble. Out of thin air, appear suddenly. Out of this world, extraordinary. Over and above, in addition to. Over and over again, do something repeatedly. Over and in the pudding, to spoil something and by trying too hard to improve it. Over head and ears, completely. Over my dead bodies, used to emphasize that one completely opposing something falsely. Over the moon, very pleased about something. Pale into insignificance, seemed less important. Palm off to dispose of with the intent to deceive. Pandora box, a prolific source of trouble. Paper water flags to hide problems. Part and parcel, essential element. Partian sort, parting hit. Pass the baton, shift responsibility to others. Pass the buck, refuse to accept responsibility. Pass the head round, to collect money. Pat on the back, praise for approval for doing something good. Pay hit to, listen carefully with attention. Pay lip service, pretend to regard. Pay on the nail, pay promptly. Pedal to the metal, to drive very fast. Female, in a confused or disorderly manner. Pennywise and pound police, careful in trivial matter, not wasteful in large. Pick a quarrel to start a disagreement or argument. Pick and choose, select only the best home choices. Pick to pieces, analysis critically. Pick on someone, creates badly. Pie in the sky, something